Welcome back to Metro Arts here at West Village. I'm Jo. And guess what? Hard hats no longer required. Thank you. Here we are in our theatre. We're putting on the finishing touches. We're nearly done. And you can see so much has changed in 6 to 8 weeks. These are all our lights that have just arrived, and our seats are on their way from London. This is the bio box. Hi. This is the shower. I'm just putting the finishing touches in. So we're back of house here in the dressing rooms, and this is so exciting for us at Metro Arts. We've never had a shower before. This is an area you won't always get to see. This is one of our dressing rooms, so we're back of house again. I just love the way this is finished. We've got the beautiful industrial look with the concrete and then these clean lines and amazing lights. And this here, a special feature, is for our costumes, not for doing chin-ups before the show. We're up here on the mezzanine in the theatre, so we're looking down. Here's our amazing lighting grid. Behind you is all the tech magic. And when we come along here, there's going to be 4 seats, the special royal seats. Going up. Metro Arts here at West Village will finally open on the 2nd of September, and we look forward to welcoming you. We will have a whole range of exhibitions and shows as part of Brisbane Festival, opening on the 3rd of September. Come and see the work from artists Hiromi Tango, Robert Andrew, and also Sally Golding, as well as a range of performance works down in our New Banner Theatre. And for something really special, out on the green here at West Village, Avoidable Perils by Counterpilot.